I am survivor of brain stroke in the year 2021. My right portion of the body was paralyzed. I visit temples regularly. Wherever I go, I visit temples. When I was in Seattle, also USA, and and across India, I I visit temples across India, even in Malaysia and Seattle, everywhere I go to temples. So I emphasize spiritualism. So my name is Professor M.S. I published 2 books, including the best-selling book titled "See the Light in You," for which the Nobel laureate is known as the Lama in the Korea. So I cultivated the habit of feeding the birds when I was in Jodhpur. So today it's an opportunity for me to feed birds. I had a stroke in the year 2021. My right portion of the body was totally paralyzed and recovering gradually. Still, I have health challenges. I can't type and I can't eat with my right hand. So lots of challenges I have. So I express my gratitude for giving one more opportunity to live. Wherever I go to temples. I emphasize spiritualism. Second thing is I visit libraries regularly. When I was in Seattle also, I visited libraries. When I was in the Indian Air Force also, I started going to libraries, even civilian libraries. So I believe in learning. Two things resonate my personality. I take feedback regularly. I emphasize continuous learning. So friends, I request you to consider subscribing my channel and sharing with your network. Life is beautiful and let us advocate Vasudeva. The entire world is small. Irrespective of caste, community and religions. We are one as humans. So you can see close up.